Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another Crafty Dare. It's Friday. Today I wanted to share my Crafty Dare with you all, and it's a Instagram group with a bunch of talented ladies that we are challenged every week with 3 items, and you share it on Fridays. So this week we were to use metal, ribbon, and a sweet treat. It could be a stamped image of a sweet treat. It could be a punched out image of or a die cut image of a sweet treat. You interpret any way you want with that. I think it stumped me a little bit, but once I figured out what I was going to do, it all came together. So let me show you the items that I used. Okay, so back when, I think it's, I don't know how long, I mean, maybe a year or two ago, we bought these stickers from the Dollar Tree, and they're dome shaped stickers. Can you see them? I don't know if you can see it on my camera. Um, and I don't know why I bought this set, but it doesn't matter what set you bought. Um, it, what was I saying? It didn't matter what set you bought because you're going to cut that inside part out. Okay. Um, so I used one of those. I'm using a bottle cap. So this could be my metal piece. Um, Here is my ribbon that I used. I used some chunky sequins, or is it glitter? Chunky glitter from Recollections. And my sweet treat is this EK Success cupcake punch. So I think I have all 3 items for my project, and my project is a shaker bottle cap. Isn't that cool? Oh, and I used this as well. This is some tube confetti from the Dollar Tree, and they come in an assortment of colors. This is just the one that I used uh, for my project. Okay, so I punched out the cupcake and glued it to the bottle cap, added my sequins, I cut out the image from the sticker, and I glued it to the bottle cap. I punched a hole on the bottom and on the top, added, I think this is from Walmart. I have a ton of these, so I wanted to use them. I made a charm for the bottom of my, I guess this is a charm that I can use on a journal. I can use this on my planner. I can use this on my purse if I wanted to. I could hang this just as a decoration. You could put this on, um, what do you call it? On a gift bag for a friend. So many things you could use this for. And I just love how it shakes, how it's a shaker. And I know that we all love shakers, and I don't remember who did this idea. I wish I could give that person credit. It wasn't mine. Um, and it's been a while since I've made one of these, so if you know who you are, please post your channel down below so people can go check it out. But it is really simple. If you bought a pack of these, you guys are good to go. These are really fun to make. It's a little tricky to cut the image out. Let me show you. It's a little tricky to, take one out. See how it is? You have to kind of cut into this back piece and then cut around this sticker to save the dome part of the sticker. But with a little practice and a little, finesse, you can do it. So that is my Crafty Dare. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys can get to try them out. They're very, very easy. I used E6000 to glue this onto my bottle cap, by the way. So yeah, that's my Crafty Dare. So go and check us out on Instagram. I'm sure there are other ladies that have posted their amazing projects. And I will see you next Friday. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.